Hi everyone. I needed to make something quick for dinner and interesting, so I decided to make a video in the process as well. So I took a piece of salmon and I put tomato paste over it first, if you can see the red part, and I use this kind. You just put a thin layer over it. Then I took some of salt, then I took the salt, pepper, I put it all depends on your personal taste. Then I took some ginger, garlic, and I sprinkled it on top of the fish. Next, I took red peppers, yellow and orange. I put it on top, and I also took some sliced onions. Once I did that, I took some of this whole dill, and I sprinkled it right on top to give it some nice color. And the last step for it is olive oil. So I'm experimenting with this. And then I'm going to take it. So I have, this is the open one. So then I'm going to take it and fold it and use like a kitchen twine. I don't know where I put mine to show you, but you can look right here. And you're going to tie it up. So you're going to take all the corners, basically, and you're going to tie it up. You're going to stick it in the oven for about, I would say 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. You have to see, everyone's oven works differently. And you're going to close it and you're going to put it about 385. And then you're going to enjoy it. So hopefully you can try this and let me know what you think. Bye-bye. Thank you.